Nurai sen almadin como ewadamach savoer kehifen huam a stormach is there she hen gefonte maar de vishi shuhad a just jaduk agastan is a lachen amar na rosi nur a dashkesi God glulem chria she duarchi kamin tu id koni as I roamed out for to view the plains one pleasant morning early who should I spy but a pretty fair maid and she dressed up so neatly her cherry cheeks and ruby lips her eyes they would dazzle the daisies when I took this fair maid by the hand she said young man go easy Maris rador misha ta fonter my head Maris matas gamma horsen is mo pargril darauen her skan me vechain noljonte mar da winja hinsche fer in ik tar knek da jadin krona stakin darin real vat as storm och vroach na kariga I would spread my mantle for you, young man, if 'twas only the breadth of a farthing. If I thought your mind was as good as your word, 'tis you, of course, I'd rather. So awake, I'll rise, my laboring boy, and come with me in the morning the plough, the bright